In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a frame in Figma. Figma is a powerful collaborative design tool that's widely used for creating user interfaces, web designs, and so much more. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding how to manage frames can significantly enhance your workflow. Let's dive right into the process. Our first step is heading over to Figma. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and go to figma.com. Once you're on the Figma homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you'll find the login button. Click on it. If you're already logged in, that's great. But if not, enter your credentials to access your Figma account. Remember, keeping your login details secure is essential for protecting your projects. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma home interface. This is your centralized place for all of your recent files and shared projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to Figma. From here, find the specific design file you're working with by clicking on it. Generally, your recent files will appear on this dashboard, making navigation quick and straightforward. Now that you're in your design file, the next step is to locate the particular frame you want to work with. Frames are the building blocks in Figma. They act like containers for the components and elements in your design. To start, click on the Design tab in the main toolbar to ensure you're in the right mode. This tab is where you'll find all your design tools and options. Once you're in the design workspace, identify the frame you wish to modify, click on it to select it. At this point, you might notice a series of design properties and options appearing on the right pane. These are the settings for your selected frame. Next, direct your attention to the right hand side where you'll see various settings and find the option labeled Fill. Click on that. The Fill option controls the background color and other fill properties of your frame, and it's here where we can make the necessary changes to remove the fill entirely. To finalize the process, simply click on the Remove button under the fill settings. By doing this, you're effectively clearing any background fill that was applied to the frame, thus removing it. You'll instantly notice the frame background becomes transparent or takes on the appearance of the default background. And there you have it, you've successfully removed a frame fill in Figma. Feel free to explore further by clicking around and experimenting with different settings. This is a wonderful opportunity to enhance your skills and improve your design workflow. Thank you for joining me today and see you in the next tutorial.